Good morning, Isaac Lynn Middle School families. This is Mrs. Rand kicking off with your midweek morning meeting for Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. This morning, we will recite the Pledge of Allegiance and the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. We will observe a moment of silence, give you a few news and announcements, and end this Wednesday, this midday week with a mindful moment to keep us focused for the rest of the week. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I am responsible for all of my actions and behaviors today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right. Not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Here are a few news and announcements, and we do have some breaking news about grades coming up, so be sure to listen carefully. We will continue celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month.
Labor activist, co-founded the National Farm Workers Association, which became the United Farm Workers. Worked alongside Cesar Chavez to fight discrimination and improve social and economic conditions for farm workers. Set up voter registration drives, lobbied to provide Spanish language voting ballots and driver's tests. Signed a historic agreement with grape growers that reduced the use of harmful pesticides. Helped create the political passage of the Agricultural Labor Relations Act, the first law to recognize the rights of farm workers to bargain collectively. Inducted in the National Women's Hall of Fame and awarded the nation's highest civilian honor, the Presidential Medal of Freedom Award. Continues to lecture and speak out on social issues involving immigration, income inequality, and the rights of women and Latinos. Dolores Huerta, genius.
Middle school students will begin phasing in with 5th and 6th grade students who selected in-person learning on Tuesday, October 27th. 7th and 8th grade students will phase in on Wednesday, November 4th. In the coming days and weeks, Isaac Lynn Middle School will share updates on standard school attire, before and after care, safety protocols, and schedules. Breaking news, everyone! MNPS has extended the grading period window. Students have until Sunday, October 11th at 11:59 p.m. to turn in any assignments before first quarter grades are finalized on Monday, October 12th. Please contact your child's teachers for assistance if needed. Friday, October 2nd is an MNPS teacher planning day, so no synchronous lessons will be held this Friday. Remember that October 5th through the 9th is fall break. All classes will resume on Tuesday, October the 13th. In-person technology help is here. Centers will be open until October the 2nd from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. The closest centers for in-person help are at Jerry Baxter Middle School and at Donaldson Middle School. Don't forget, the 2021 student handbook permissions must be signed. Parents, you can log on to www.mnps.org/handbook and click on the Permissions Portal button in order to update your child's permissions. Parents, don't forget to email your child's teacher for your Parent Schoology Access Code to check your child's grades and assignments. Don't forget, you have until October the 11th at 11:59 p.m. to turn in all of your assignments before first quarter grades are finalized. Don't forget, students, to show your virtual Lytton pride. Remember to be prepared for class, respect the virtual learning environment, take initiative and improve your learning, be diligent in turning your assignments, and most of all, engage in class. Students, you have one more day to account for your live school points. Don't forget, we will be giving incentives starting when we come back from fall break. Don't forget, if you earn 25 points, you will get a shout out in this morning meeting. Also, earn 50 points, a Lytton swag bag, 75 points, a Lytton water bottle. Earn 100 points and you get a Lytton Pride t-shirt, and earn 150 points and we will put a personalized yard sign in your yard. Don't forget, Isaac Lytton Middle School wide morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Videos are available on the Remind app or on the Isaac Lytton Middle School Library website. No-cost breakfast and lunch will still be provided on fall break. Buses will deliver food this week through Thursdays. Thursday's bus route will provide food throughout the weekend. Next week, we will be offering meals on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays during the week of fall break at 15 sites listed below. Meals will be given out from 11:30 until 1 p.m. We will not be delivering meals on bus routes next week. The sites that you can get food are Apollo, Cane Ridge High, Cole Elementary, DuPont Elementary, Glencliff High School, H.G. Hill, I.T. Crestwell, Lakeview, Madison Middle, McKissick, Napier, Overton, Schwab, Stratford, and Two Rivers. Meals can be picked up at school from 11:30 to 1 Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget, Isaac Lytton Middle School is still launching the Project Lit community. Please reach out to our librarian at catherine.garrett@mnps.org if you are interested in participating. We do have copies of the book available for students who are not able to purchase their own. The first book selection is Trevor Noah's Born a Crime. Don't forget, we are still participating in the I Believe in Nashville Reading Challenge, now through October 16th. Log in your minutes in the Beanstalk app that is located on the Student Clever portal. I3 STEM Club is up and running. If you would like to join, please contact Ms. Donaldson or Dr. Westby. If you have not downloaded our Remind app to keep up to date with Lit News, please make sure that you download it on your smartphone or on your tablet. Now it's time for our mindful moment focused on habits of mind.
The vase of water is our mind, and the different colours of sand are our thoughts and feelings. What kinds of thoughts do you have when waking up? Pick a colour of sand that feels right for your feelings or thoughts. This is how our minds are when we are in a hurry, stressed, angry, or upset. Can you see things clearly in this state? Let's breathe with the bell and observe all the sand as it slowly settles to the bottom of the jar. This is what happens to our minds when we meditate, when we are mindful of our body and of our breathing. What is the water like now? The thoughts and feelings can still be there in our minds, but rest peacefully at the bottom because we know how to return to our breathing to calm them.
Don't forget, Isaac Lytton Middle School families, next week is fall break. And once again, don't forget, you have until October the 11th at 11:59 to complete any of your missing assignments to bring up your grades before first quarter grades are finalized. Remember, throughout fall break, you are loved.